What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear your browsing data on Google Chrome. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen to open a drop-down menu. Navigate to the History tab and then click History in the drop-down menu. A new window will open up. On the left side, click Clear Browsing Data, which will redirect you to Chrome's Privacy and Security Settings page. In the pop-up window, select the time interval within which you want your Chrome history erased. With that done, click Clear Data, and your Google Chrome history will be deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.